Dear students, sometimes certain sum is very tough, especially at the time of doing in examination hall. Why? Because we forget some key points, some important things that we have studied before in different sections, in different chapters of maths. And it is not possible we learn all the key points of different sections of maths at a time. So practice is very necessary for our successfulness in maths. Without practice, it is not possible. Just I have taken one sum, try to understand how you can solve it, and also how this sum is connected with your previous exercises or previous chapter, previous sectors of maths. The sum is given. Find the differential coefficient with respect to x. Y is equal to log cos x sin x, log sin x cos x minus 1. For solving these sums, we have to pay attention not only to trigonometric function, but also logarithmic functions. On both, we have to pay attention. And so, we have to practice at the time of doing the sum at home. We have to practice logarithmic and trigonometric both. Such type of practicing will make you successful in solving the sum. Now, let first part, u is equal to log sin x by log cos x whole square. Because this part, log cos x sin x, can be written as log sin x by log cos x. Similarly, this log cos x by log sin x, and here is minus 1 or inverse. So it can be written as log sin x by log cos x. It means log sin x by log cos x, log sin x by log cos x means log sin x by log cos x whole square. We know from the logarithmic, log AB is equal to log B by log A. Now, taking log both sides, log U is equal to 2 log sin x minus log cos x, because we know log A by B is equal to log A minus log B. Now on differentiating with respect to x, you can write 1 by u dy dx is equal to 2 cot x by log sin x plus tan x by log cos x. On differentiating, you can get this. Now dy by dx will be equal to 2u cot x by log sin x plus tan x by log cos x. Now putting the value of u, it will be 2 log sin x by log cos x whole square and cot x by log sin x plus tan x by log cos x. Now given condition is you have to find out at x is equal to pi by 4. So putting the value of x as pi by 4, you will get 2 into 1 log sin x means sin pi by 4, cos x cos pi by 4. We know that sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 have equal values. So it will be 1, and similarly 1 by log 1 by root 2, 1 by log 1 by root 2. On calculating, you will get minus 8 by log 2. Second part is given to you, sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. For solving this sum, we can put the value of x as tan theta, and then it will be sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now if you solve this, you will get sin 2 theta as 2 sin theta by cos theta 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and then again chain you will get sin 2 theta. We know that sin inverse sin theta is equal to theta. That's why here will be 2 theta. Now putting the value of theta from here, theta is equal to tan inverse x, it will be 2 tan inverse x. Now on differentiating with respect to x, we will get dv by dx is equal to 2 tan inverse x by dx, 2 by 1 plus x square, because differentiation of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Now value of x is given to you as pi by 4, so put the value of x pi by 4, you will get this. Finally, therefore dv by dx is equal to dv by dx plus dv by dx is equal to minus 8 by log 2 plus 32 by log 16 plus pi square.